Launch date, March 2026. Price, 1,575 Saudi Riyals. Body, composite frame, glass front. Display, 6.74-inch AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor, Snapdragon 6th Gen series. RAM, 8GB or 16GB of variant. Storage, 128GB and 256GB of variant. Battery, 5,500 mAh battery. 45 watts fast charging support. Rear camera system, triple camera setup. 50MP main wide, 12MP ultra wide, 5MP macro depth. Front camera, 16MP. Software, Android 16 One UI Skin. Other features, dual SIM support, in-display fingerprint sensor, or side-mounted. Memory expansion via microSD. Summary. The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is expected to launch with a 6.74-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, 50-megapixel triple camera, a powerful mid-range chip, and a 5,500 mAh battery. All at an estimated price between 1,500 and 2,000 Riyals in Saudi Arabia. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the official launch updates.